In this video, I will show you how to fix if the social button is not showing in TikTok. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that you do have the most up-to-date version of TikTok. So what you're going to want to do is open up the App Store, or of course the Play Store if you're using an Android device, and then go ahead and search for the TikTok app. Now, once you find the app, go ahead and press onto it. As you can see for myself, I've currently got an update available. So if you do see a blue update button, make sure to update the app and then open the app again to see if you do have the social button once the app has updated. So here we are. As you can see, I've updated the app and I'm currently now on the TikTok app. Now, if you've tried this but you're still not seeing the social button, what you're going to want to do is open up TikTok and come across to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, if you come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines, and from here you want to press onto settings and privacy. Now in here, what you're going to want to do is scroll down towards the bottom and look for the report a problem option, which is just down here in the support section. Give that a press, and on the next screen what you want to do is press onto account and profile, and on this submenu that comes up you want to press onto editing profile. On this next screen, what you want to do is press enable to link Instagram accounts to the profile. And what it's going to do is give you some steps you can try. So for example, we can switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. We can also try clearing the cache and restarting the app. And of course, to make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. So if you've tried all of this, but you're still getting an issue, then what you want to do is come down to the bottom where it says, is your problem resolved? And press the thumbs down no button. After doing this, you're going to see an option which says need more help. If you actually give this a press, this is going to take you across to the help desk, and what you can then do is use the live chat to speak to someone from TikTok and have them add the social button to your account. So that is how to fix if the social button is not showing on TikTok. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.